Today we're gonna make 1 pan roasted tomato soup. To get started on making our 1 pan tomato soup, we're gonna start with preheating the oven to 400 degrees. We have 1 baking sheet here, and we have some tomatoes. So you can use plum tomatoes. I have cherry tomatoes today, so I'm gonna put them right here on the pan. And then we have some bell peppers. I'm gonna cut those right on the pan. We're gonna take our onion, clean that, cut it in 4, put it on our baking dish, and some whole garlic cloves. Look at that, nice and easy. Now we're gonna take olive oil, drizzle it on top. And some salt and pepper. And then we're gonna roast this in the oven for about 30 minutes. We've cooked these vegetables. Look, they're nice and caramelized, cooked all the way. So we're gonna take all the vegetables, we're gonna put this right into 1 big pot. We're gonna add in our fresh basil, and we're gonna use the handheld blender. We're gonna blend this up. When you're using the blender and you wanna get it, gotta get all the ingredients nice and blended together. We're gonna add a little bit of water so we can blend this easier. So now that we've blended it all, I put on medium heat. We're gonna cook this, and I'm gonna whisk in a cup of heavy cream. So our tomato soup is ready. So I'm gonna bring that over here. I'm gonna transfer it into this serving bowl. Look at that, looks amazing. So I'm gonna serve this tomato soup like this, look. We're gonna top this off with some homemade croutons and a little fresh thyme. Look at that, looks amazing. For the full recipe, you can visit nikkigleckis.com for the recipe for tomato soup and to see how to make homemade croutons. You can also click here, but check out my website so you can check out more soup ideas, dinner ideas, desserts, cocktails, you name it, we have it on the website. And if we don't, leave me a comment below of something you want me to make and I'll check it out and see if I can make it for the next time.